Hey, it's Kay, and in today's video, I just want to chill and chat about the polishes that I wore in July. So I'll start off with Mooncat's Forces of Evil from their collaboration with the Powerpuff Girls. I'm not really a fan of red polishes, but the red here has this pinkish hue to it. It's really bold, it's really bright. I'm also a huge sucker for flakies in jelly formulas, so this one gets an exception card. Another thing that really makes this one like a eye addicting color that you just like to look at is this blue glow that's coming from the flakies. As red as this polish is, that blue glow still manages to just push through. It doesn't take much light to make that blue color pop out. I also wore it on both of my hands, which is not something I typically do. Like, I really have to dig the shade in order to wear it on both hands. So yeah, this one definitely a 10 out of 10 wearing it. It was fun, and I can't wear it too much because, as we all know, this is a limited edition polish, which is probably already sold out. I have no idea. It was a nice change to wear red. I haven't worn red in so long. This one was just the perfect one to start with. So the next one is Naps and Nails, and keep in mind I'm not mentioning these in any particular order. I don't really remember exactly when I wore them. I kind of remember what I was doing when I wore them, but not the exact date. I should also add that this polish was gifted to me by the brand. Of course, no obligation to talk about it or post it in this video. It is a glow in the dark polish, which is really cool. It's just that I don't get to enjoy that effect too much because, I mean, I'm only in the dark when I go to bed. But even then, I forget that it's glow in the dark, and then I'm in bed and I'm like, oh, yeah, nothing against glow in the dark effects whatsoever. I think they're super dope. I just appreciate it when it comes in a cool color that I can also enjoy in the daytime. Another one that I had no issues with, it didn't chip, it didn't peel. I generally don't have issues with chipping or peeling. If it does chip or peel, it's generally, or I would say almost like 95% of the time, due to my own fault because of something I did. This is Krypton Cutie from Zombie Claw. I love their logo, by the way, it's so cool. But Krypton Cutie, this is one that I wore, I think right after I swatched it for whatever video it is I put this one in. I think I put this one in the last seasonally inappropriate video. So there's like actually not a lot going on in this polish. It kind of fools you because it's just packed. It's jam-packed with these small tiny little hollows and then these flakies, and everything just works so well together. We have another from Mooncat's collaboration with the Powerpuff Girls. This one is the Diabolical Mojo Jojo, and I wore this one almost right after I swatched it for the Mooncat and Powerpuff Girls collection video I did. I mean, this is my favorite from the collection. You guys, I have an unhealthy obsession with black flakies. It's weird, I don't know, but I mean, when I saw this polish and I saw that they had added black flakies into it, I just lost it. I was like, yeah, there's no way I'm not gonna not buy that polish. I wasn't sure about the collection, but I decided to go for it. One thing about this that I wish was different. So you know that squishy jelly effect that you get with jelly polishes? I don't get that with this polish. It's kind of like you don't see that true jelly effect. I'm not sure if it's because of all of the other elements that this polish has in it. It doesn't really affect how much I like it though. I love it. I'm sure a lot of people do. It's a really dope polish, but you don't necessarily get that true squishy jelly effect with this one. This is another one that I'm just gonna have to control myself with as well because it's limited edition. So when I run out, that's it. Another one I wore was the Sink After She Shaves from Death Valley Nails. What a dope polish, what a dope thermal polish. I mean, I know thermal polishes have the lifespan of a rental agreement, but if there is a thermal polish that I wish lasted forever, right now what comes to mind is this one. I really appreciate the artistry here. The bar glitters is something that I don't think we get enough of. I don't think many brands use bar glitters. I don't know if it's because it's not popular, but if you can do it right, if you can do it tastefully, you're gonna get a great polish. Definitely 10 out of 10. No regrets buying this one. So another thermal that I wore was this one from Holo Taco. It's Rage Bait from their Mixed Emotions collection, which is their 5th anniversary collection. I'm no fan of cremes, right? But my exceptions are neons and thermals. So that's why I just gave in and bought the whole collection. I thought the thermal shifts were cool. And the only thing with this one is that the color that mostly remained on my nails was orange. Warm State is orange, and I don't particularly love the color orange. So for that reason, I didn't really enjoy wearing this polish too much. I'm not trying to say that the polish isn't reactive. It is super reactive, and if it reaches the right temperature, it will quickly turn into that bold coral color. It was just a matter of me not having the correct environment for this polish to be able to turn that color. But you know, of course, whenever I washed my hands, it did quickly shift. For that reason, you know, I wasn't like thrilled wearing it. I think I wore it for about maybe 3 days and then I took it off. Another one that I wore is this one from Sassy Sauce, which I'm actually wearing right now as a manicure. It's so dope. I love it. But let's talk more about the polish. So this one is part of HHC Pride 2024, and it was actually a duo. So it came with this other polish, which I haven't worn yet. What a dope polish. I mean, there's nothing that I don't like about this one. I was really excited to get this one in the mail. It is pretty sheer, as you can see. So if you see it on my nails here, you can probably notice a little bit of nail line. So I think you can use it as a topper. I haven't tried that yet because, you know, just sprinkle some seasoning on my nails and leave me a little bit of nail line, and I'm happy with that. So I have not tried it as a topper. However, I feel like it would work well as one. This is one that I don't ever not want to have any of. The green reflective glitter is such a cool addition. Purple and green, I mean, can you go wrong with that? It's so cool to see those two colors together. I'm actually wearing it on both hands right now, so that's how much I like it. If you want to know if I like a polish, that's how you know. So really nice on both long and short nails. The effect is very evident on both long and short nails. I haven't had any issues with chipping or with peeling or anything. Keep in mind, I've also only been wearing this since yesterday. I put it on for a special occasion that I won't bore you with. I'm so obsessed with this one. I'm so glad I bought it, and I do not want to ever run out. I'm sure you can probably relate to this. Sometimes I go through phases where I'm changing my polish a lot throughout the week, maybe up to 3 times a week. And then other times I just change them once a week, or maybe I will go a little bit longer with it on. But in July, it looks like I changed my manis about 7 times. I think there's 7 polishes there. And funny enough, these were all seasonally appropriate for the most part, not intentionally. I guess that was just the mood I was in. I typically grab polish based off of my mood. So thanks for hanging out. I think the general purpose of the video has been fulfilled. I don't typically sit down and chit chat about what polishes I wore, so I hope you enjoyed this type of video. I'm Kay, and I'm here every week with a new swatch sesh. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Thank you for watching so much. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you.